welcome back to my page. Or if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Sarah, this is Millie, and we are so happy that you are here working out with us today. Today we are going to be working on core. I have 4 different moves for us today, and it's up to you on how many rounds you would like to do. We will do one all together, and then if you would like to add more, please give it a shot. If you would like to make it a goal of adding more rounds as you progress, I think that sounds like a great one. So, I'm going to quit talking. Go ahead, make sure you have a mat, make sure you have some water, make sure you have some room, and let's get started. Okay, let's get started. We're going to begin lying down on our mat, having our shoulders equal on the floor, having our hip bones also on the floor. We're going to start this with a basic crunch, so feel free to put your hands wherever. Feel free to put your hands wherever. And let's begin. We really want to make sure we really want to make sure that we are engaging our abdomen before we lift the shoulders up off the ground. We're keeping a nice neutral back line of the neck. You're breathing. Crunching, we're really making a concentric, thanks Millie, a concentric action with this contraction. So we're shortening, and so as we reach the ground, we want to lengthen. So make that crunch mean something. Let's go for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Perfect. Upper body, you're going to reach all the way up, but before we start, let's roll the shoulders back. We're going to reach straight up for the ceiling and lengthen for the wall behind us. Now we have 2 different options here for our feet. You can give exactly what I have right here, both feet planted on the floor, or we can engage the lower abdomen a little bit more. Give ourselves a tabletop. You can point or flex the feet. Help yourself. Exhale when you crunch and reach up. Go. We have 4. Lengthen. 3. 2. Thank you. 1. And control the feet. All right. Couple options here again, but let's first go over our lower body. I'm gonna have my hands actually by my bum. Okay, we are going to do a reverse crunch variation here. So let's talk about our knees. We're going to bring the knees up by using our core. We're going to activate the core, really squeeze, and that's what brings up our legs. Really bring the knees as close as we can to the chest so we feel comfortable. And then we're going to control, letting our toes just lightly touch. Back up. Now, we have to add the full reverse crunch, right? So if you would like to, I want you to use your lower abdomen, lift up those hips, and you're not lifting up the hips, you're so awesome. Crunch it in. And we're controlling. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna add back in that reverse crunch. Keep doing what you're doing. Here we go. 3. Control it. 2. Control it. 1. Excellent. Okay, we have one more. We're flipping over. No, I won't change this. I'll keep this here. We're going to begin in a quadruped position. Hello. That's what I thought. We're going to begin in a quadruped plank position. So, I'm going to roll my shoulders back. I'm going to think about keeping the back of the line, the back of the neck nice and long. I don't want us looking all the way down at our knees. We're not looking straight up. We're going to curl the toes under. We're going to make this a quadruped plank. So I'm going to check my shoulders, support my lower back with my abdomen. We're going to curl under. You're going to give me essentially like a quadruped mountain climber. So we're going to bring one leg in towards the chest, control it. In towards the chest, bring it back to that quadruped position. Now if you're thinking, Sarah, no, then that's okay. I want you to still practice holding this quadruped, holding this quadruped plank. And if you want to hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, that sounds awesome to me. If you want to come back down and then try that again, please. If you're doing this mountain climber variation with me, no matter what, everybody, we're going for 4. We're going for 3. We're going for 2. We're going for 1. And we get to rest. Yay! Okay, everybody, believe it or not, those 4 moves are the entire round. So, if you want to be done with this, that sounds great. If you want to give this another go, awesome. Feel free to tell me what you think about it in the comments. If you would like to like my video, that would mean so much. If you want to share this with a friend, if you want to try this with a friend, if you have any questions for me, please ask. I always check the comments and I would be more than happy to chat with you about anything. So please stay hydrated. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Bye!